How to add in Google Sheet. So I'm going to show you how to add in Google Sheets in very simple way. So first, you need to start adding some values or numbers. Let's say start with A1. And just simply add here and type like 99. Then we want to add another number here on B1 or could be an A2. Up to you. Then just simply type a value like that. Or you can type right here 23, right here 25. Now we want to choose an empty cell. Let's say for example D4. Now in here, we need to type equals, then we need to type which we want to add. Let's say, for example, we want to add A1 and A2. So we need to indicate A1, then put a plus sign, and then A2. Make sure to copy a capital number and make sure that it is key and it is also the correct number. So then press enter, and as you can see, it has now added these two numbers right here. Now, similarly, you can also do this. You can take the number from D4. Let's say, for example, equals D4 plus. Then we take a different number from here, like B1. Let's say B1. Then we press enter. As you can see, it took the number from D4 and added it with B1. And that's how we can basically add in Google Sheets. It's very simple, and there are many ways you can add in Google Sheets, and this is just the simplest way on how to add in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification